Hey everyone, myself Sanjana and I am working as HR intern in Nolexon Innovation Private Limited, where I was responsible for the end-to-end recruitment process of the company. I found the internship to be very fruitful as I picked up the valuable skills on process of recruitment, employee engagement, and to how to schedule meetings and all. Mostly how to work in virtual teams. So further I also learned how to work within the groups and to manage time effectively. Apart from that, all the leaders are very free and employees are uh, very approachable, so you can communicate with them uh, very without any hesitation. Thank you so much for giving such an opportunity to work with you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Amber Goel. I've been working as a software development intern at Nolexon under the guidance of Sriram sir. And through this past month, I've learned a lot of new technologies like Android development with Kotlin and machine learning. I'm very excited to see where the upcoming month takes us and what all new things I get to learn and being able to develop something that I'm truly proud of.
Hi, I'm Anshuman Das. I'm an intern at Knowledge and Innovation and Technology Private Limited. Knowledge and Innovation is a great seedbed for interns as there is a lot to absorb and proper guidance and care to progress in your fields. It has a nice learning environment and heavily experienced mentors with knowledge in multiple fields, so it gives a huge boost in one's career to be in touch with such mentors. I'm glad having joined such a team. Thanks.
Hi everyone, this is Ajay Kumar Barik. I have started working as an intern in Nolexon as a sales and marketing. Nolexon helps me grow as a sales representative, but it also enhances my interaction skill as well as make me more aware of marketing strategy. The colleagues and senior of Nolexon were always there for me whenever there is a need. I really glad that I got a chance to work with this amazing people and company. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shivas Bhatt. I've been working in Nolexon from last 7 months. The journey so far has been incredible. I've worked on various in-house and as well as client projects, and I deliver all projects on time. I've worked on latest technologies and built websites using them. I hope in future I will work with more clients and more new technologies in order to make company goals achievable. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. This side Madhvi. I'm HR intern here. Here I am talking about my experience in knowledge. It was so good. Actually, it was my first time that I am doing any internship. I get to learn about many things. Priyadarshi sir, Priyanka ma'am and Shriram sir, everyone is so good. They help me in enhance my potential. Everyone is so supportive. It's too good to work with them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Panda and I have been working with Knowledge since last 1.5 months as an app development intern. I have been making an app for my startup Yatra from scratch, and in my journey as an intern I have learned many things to work in a team environment and to solve problems in a much efficient way, and I hope all this experience would help me further in my career and make me a successful software developer engineer.
Hello, this is Shrika. I'm a third year undergraduate of IIT Bhubaneswar. I'm a software development intern at Nolexon. As this is a startup, this gave me an overview of how a startup works in a big scale, and it also helped me in learning various softwares and technologies which are very much necessary to be in the software world. This acts as a stepping stone for my future journey as a full-time software developer.
Hello, my name is Diksha Shukla, intern at Nolexon, currently working in the backend development of Project Asta, working closely with the company in order to meet all the requirements of backend of the particular project. Learned several technologies for that purpose, which has helped me and which will help me in the long run. I want to explore more and more in that domain and want to learn more and more about it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Sagar Mishra. It was a great opportunity for me to work as a digital intern in Nolexon. I learned a lot of things about digital marketing. I would like to thank Priyadasi sir for his guidance and a big thanks to Nolexon for giving such opportunities.
Hello everyone, I'm Mamta and I'm a third year undergraduate at IIT Bhubaneswar. I'm currently working as a software development intern at Nolexon. This internship at Nolexon was such a great learning experience, and it allowed me to look into things clearer in pursuing my career as a software developer. And being a fresher intern, I'm glad to have such a warm environment in the whole process. Cheers to Nolexon.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohan Pujari and I am a management student at Chetna's Ramprasad Khandelwal Institute of Management and Research. At Nolexon, I have been working as an operation intern. It was my responsibility as an operation intern under the guidance of Priyadarshi sir to optimize the ongoing processes of numerous projects using various tools and techniques linked to operation management, creating SOP, SLA, OLA and other agreements, as well as making the process cost and time efficient were all part of the process optimization. It was a great experience working here, and I would like to thank the entire team of Nolexon providing me this opportunity. Thank you.
This is Nate Reddy, a third year mechanical engineering undergraduate at IIT Bhubaneswar. I have been working as a software development intern at Nolexon for the past 2 months. Working with Nolexon has provided me an insight on how generally a startup functions and also introduced me to the skills required in software industry. This opportunity has given me industry exposure which will help in building my career.
Hello, my name is Harshvardhan. I'm third year mechanical undergraduate at IIT Bhubaneswar. I have been working as a front-end intern in Nolexon since past 2 months. Working with Nolexon allowed me to learn technologies that are pretty much used in software industries, and it also gave me an exposure to how a startup functions, and I believe this opportunity will surely help me in becoming a better software developer. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yash Khandelwal. I'm a digital marketing intern at Nolexon Innovations. It has been a very lively experience to be a part of this organization. The journey so far has been very good. I got a chance to interact with many seniors and interns during the tenure, and I wish that this organization reaches higher levels and become a very successful part of this ecosystem. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Ipshita. I'm an MBA student at CV Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar. I joined Nolexon as an operation intern. Summers are refreshing, so was my internship with Nolexon. It was a huge learning curve with Mr. Priyadarshi, who mentored me well on quality analysis, departmental coordination, and business analysis. It gave me an icebreaker into the industry and made me more confident on my professional skills. Thank you.